Shifting focus now to another round of breaking update, what we are learning that the Guruvayur Devaswam has now decided to conduct purification rituals at the temple pond after a Bigg Boss reality show contestant and a social media influencer filmed a reel washing her feet there. Now, authorities have called out the act carried out by a non-Hindu woman 6 days ago, who, according to them, violated the temple customs and rendered the pond as impure. As part of the rituals, the darshan at the temple will be restricted from 5 a.m. to noon on the 26th of August, which is today. Jasmine Jasper, who is said to have filmed reel 6 days ago. So according to the rituals that include a repeat of 6 days of pujas comprising 18 pujas and 18 shivalis, they will now be performed as devotees will be allowed entry to the Nalambalam only after when it comes to the purification rituals that are completed. Now, as far as the temple administration is concerned, they have been urging cooperation from the devotees amid restrictions, and the Devaswam had earlier lodged a complaint with the Guruvayur temple police against the said influencer for filming a reel at the temple pond, which is out of bounds for non-Hindus. The police informed the court that a case has been registered as per the directive of the court. Now, this is the development that is now coming in, where purification rituals are being carried out at the Guruvayur temple. Arpita, the objections that have been raised that in fact led to these purification rituals that are to be undertaken at the temple. What has now been said that as far as this influencer is concerned, was she even know that she was breaking certain rules? The police, however, has informed the court that the case would be registered as per the court's directive.
Well, Amita, yes, in fact, at Guruvayur temple, there is a strict rule that no photography is allowed. In fact, they also have a strict rule that no other religion people are allowed inside the temple premises. Guruvayur temple is one of the temples where they're very strict about this. So when this influencer, Jasmine, filmed 6 reels inside the temple premises, she had washed her feet in the temple pond there. That became a controversy. Now police has informed that they will register a case. Currently at Guruvayur temple, purification ritual is happening because the temple authorities said what she did is not correct, and therefore since 5 a.m. today the purification thing is happening, and it will go on till 12 p.m. and therefore the darshan for people are also stopped today till 12 p.m. Only after 12 p.m. people will be allowed at the temple. So currently the purification is underway, but police have said that they will take action against this influencer. In fact, in the past also, like I said, Guruvayur temple is one of the temples where they're very strict about the religion. There have been multiple controversies around Guruvayur temple. A prominent singer, Malayalam prominent singer Yeshudas, who's a Christian, he has sung so many Krishna songs, but never he's allowed to sing inside the temple premises. In fact, time and again he has expressed a feeling to sing inside the temple premises, but even he was not allowed because he's from a different religion. So Guruvayur temple is very strict about that, and therefore
Rahul Ishwar is connected with us on the phone line. Arpita, please do stay on with us. Rahul, what do you make of when it comes to making reels and certain influencers? Do they forget that there are temples that have certain rules and regulations that are to be followed? However, the social media influencer has expressed an apology.
2 submissions. First of all, every temple has a right to regulate its own affairs under Article 25 and 26 of Indian Constitution. And we have acharas and anushtanas, so rules and regulations, roughly translated. And Guruvayur is one of the most sacred temples of Hindus in Kerala and India, which is visited by millions of people. Yes, it is a welcome step that the Bigg Boss contestant offered apology. That's a positive step. It has caused a lot of issues. The temple has to be closed. Many purification rituals have to be carried out. And as your reporter was saying, even legendary people like Yeshudas, who we all feel is a very genuine devotee, even he had faced some regulations and restrictions. So all those influencers needs to be more mindful because devotee sentiments are involved, spirituality is involved, culture is involved. So, I hope people will take care of the sentiments. Each temple has its own unique structure. For example, inside Shabarimala Hindu temple, there is an Islamic shrine for Vavar. In Guruvayur, there is a different restriction and regulation. In another temple, Artigal, it is Lady Shabarimala, where only women offer Pongala. There are different such regulations and restrictions. And we should be respectful of all those places because they are the right of devotees and the deity.
All right. Rahul Ishwar, thank you very much for joining in on the broadcast with your point of view. Arpita, coming back to you on that, because what is being said as far as the social media influencer is concerned, Jasmine Jafar, however, has also issued a public apology, and she has acknowledged the criticism and expressed regret for unintentionally hurting religious sentiments.
Well, yes, Amita, even though she has acknowledged that she has made a mistake and she did apologize to the authorities, but the authorities are saying that she has violated certain rules of the temple that they follow, and therefore they have clearly said that irrespective of her apology, they will continue to do the purification inside the temple premises, and that is underway currently, and around 12 p.m.
Well, the video that has been showing Jafar entering the sacred pond where non-Hindus are not allowed, she filmed a reel for Instagram, went viral and has been drawing sharp criticism as well. The purification rituals that has now been taking place in the temple premises because of this Instagram reel that this former Bigg Boss participant wanted to hold. Thank you very much for the moment, Arpita, for joining in.